Oh girl, it is time for a much needed wash day. As you guys know, I've been wearing my crochet for about 2 to 3 weeks now, so it's time for a really good wash. I'm gonna start off with some Sacred, and my method to making sure that I don't lose strands and that they don't fall out during my wash and scrub is that I do 2 pigtails and I make sure that they're really nice and taut, and then I can get right into my scalp and none of the pieces fall out. So that's my little trick. Super easy, super simple. And just really make sure that you're getting into the scalp and getting all that debris and oil. I also make sure that I get my leave out, which is really important because you want to take care of your hair. After I rinse, I'm gonna go in with the Authentic Beauty Glow Cleanser. This is for color treated hair, and this hair is color treated. So it's gonna help the hair look really nice and shiny, seal in the cuticles so that the hair still stays really nice and vibrant. I'm gonna shampoo the pigtails, and then I'm also gonna go into the roots of the hair because the roots are also colored as well, and it's just gonna give me a nice second shampoo as well. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Sacred Moisturizing Deep Conditioner. I love this. I'm gonna apply this directly to my scalp and my braids so that my real hair is treated with the Sacred. I'm not going to put Sacred all over hair that is not mine. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. So this is going on my scalp, and I'm giving it a really, really nice massage. And of course, getting my leave out, making sure that that is fully saturated. And for the lengths of my hair, I'm gonna take the Hydrate conditioner from Authentic Beauty Concepts. I love this brand, it's actually really, really good stuff. And this is where I'm gonna start to detangle. Now that I have the conditioner in, it makes it really easy to just breeze through and detangle with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I love this brush. It's so good, so worth the money. I really think this brush has led to my actual hair's length retention. Once everything's fully detangled, I'm gonna go ahead and let this process for about 10 to 20 minutes. You can sit with a cap under the dryer, but because I am just doing this really quickly for today, I'm gonna actually just sit with the cap for 10 minutes. Now that everything is rinsed out, and I love to use a microfiber towel. This one I think is from the Dry Bar. That's not important, but I like to use this Nazara Organics combo. So I take the moisturizer, which is water-based, and that goes on my scalp and my hair, and then I'm gonna seal it all in with the oil. I just love the combo, and I mean, my hair is so moisturized. Like, my real hair is so moisturized. Every time I take it to get it trimmed and washed at the salon, my girl is always like, oh my God, your hair is so healthy. It's moisturized, it's not dried out. And I think it's just a combination of all the products and techniques I've been using. And I'm making sure with the oil that it's just getting on the scalp and that it's not getting on the lengths of the hair. You don't want oily hair, but you do want to make sure that your hair is moisturized and that the oil seals that moisture in to your braids. And then I'm taking a massager. I love these. These are really gentle, but I'm doing more of a circular zhuzhing motion than actually like really scrubbing. I don't want to pull or tug or rip at anything, but I want to get some really good stimulation at my scalp because it's going to help to aid my hair in growth, good healthy growth. So we're just gonna work that around the head. Finally, I'm gonna put my hair into 2 pigtails again so I can sit under the dryer and let my braids dry thoroughly. Super important. You do not want to get any sort of fungal, moldy braid situation. Make sure they're nice and dry. And if you don't have a sit-down dryer, then just take a hand dryer and make sure that your braids are 100% dry. And then you style your hair however you want. I chose to do these heatless curls, and I think they came out absolutely phenomenal. Follow and drop a comment if you want a tutorial because I actually really love this style. Let me know what you guys think. Love you guys. Bye.